How to sign up Truist Bank online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can sign up for your Truist Bank account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in www.truist.com. As you do so, you will get landed onto its official website. Now, in order to open an account, simply click on Open Account. Here, select the account type if it's saving or banking or credit cards. You will be able to see other sub options. Here, select any one that you would like to open and click on to Open Now. Now to get started, you have to read all this information before applying. Click on to Start Application. Here, if you already are a Truist client, you have to select Yes. If not, you can just select No and resume the application. Just like so, moving forward, there will be a lot of personal questions. You have to fill them correctly, and that way, you will be able to create yourself a Truist Bank account online. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.